Marhaba, this is Jay De La Cruz in Dubai, and for today's video, I will share to you our special moment in celebration of the birthday celebrant, Sister Jen. So we are decided to go to Do Cruise because one of our sister, Mary Joan, did not have experienced this Do Cruise. So I will show you the scenery during Do Cruise. So I hope you enjoy it because we really enjoy it. So this is our photo shoot in the Do Cruise while we are waiting for the boat to sail. Thank you so much, and I hope you enjoying. These are the photos while waiting for the boat. So photo shoot muna tayo dyan. And wala pang masyadong tao. We are the first batch sa umakyat sa boat. So may time pang mag picture taking and mangulit sa mga staff and crew. Marami kaming mga pictures, vlogs, video. Kasi solo pa namin yung boat. Kaya nangungulit-ngulit pa kami. Thank you guys. Enjoy watching.
Just Jen. Just na Jen kahanan mo ako. Ay! Yan! Kaya na, hindi mo na po.
Ikaw, tingin ka rin dito.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is show time. Show that is coming for you. You will never imagine. Leave it.
وشد الحام الآن عرفوا عندي العربي إلى الأخلاق وعدوا سنين على الطاق إحنا في الشر نعمل تحية أنا شرنا بنشي تسود حتى خويا واخد مسكور وكل يوم يجرح ويبيع بيبان تسيور يسمى يا ابني فرفوز والشد بيتلون عايشين بيتلون بنخش على الناس واللي بس اللي مطولين والله طريقكم لا ده احنا طولين
This is the festival city food.
Hindi man ako naka-live, nakalo lang ako.
Jessica
Pagkain na.
Enjoy ito! First time! Grabe first time na! It's forgettable!
Yan, guys, maganda yan. Diyan, tatasok. Ang ganda. Pag-sunset? Oo, doon ka tutulong ka dyan. Okay na, pwede na. O, go.
Ano? Sis Jen.
Maintindihan na to kung ano to pagkain na to. Ako rin hindi alam. Attorney.
Vienna. Uwian na.
Ulitin ko ulit. My friend, don't forget the picture.
Kasi hindi, ano pa kasi na yung ano, yung kakabit niya yan sa computer, sa laptop. Kasi yung ano niya yun, yung...
Looking forward ako sa ano, sa Villan sa April. Sa women's, ano yun?
Women's Fellowship.
Women's Fellowship.
Kasi i-check ko tapos itaan ko. Ha? Uy, 11 na pala.
Kaya nga 11 na. 11 na. Uwian na.
My friend, later when you reach at home, you send a picture.
Until you not send it.
Going home. Done the cruise for today. For today's video, thank you so much for our sponsor. This is Miss Maris Macaya.
Hindi po sponsor yun ha.
Yes, I know.
and the birthday celebrant. And we're going home. Thank you.
Thank you, bye.
This is J. De La Cruz in Dubai signing off.
Later we are
Marhaba. This is J. De La Cruz in Dubai. Thank you so much for watching.
Thank you.